Hello, I have 4 packs of Slug Attacks Mayhem, and these I hope are good. 3, 4. Let's open the first one. Christian is a really good card. Already cards I already have him, so that's a trade. Next one is Wiki or Dragon Steamboat. He is really good. He's 74 defense, 4 stars and 79 attack. So this one, the first and the second card I didn't say what they were. So Christian is 82 defense, 4 attack, 4 stars and 79 attack. Cody Rhodes is 74 defense, 4 stars and 77 attack. I said it before as well, is a trade. So 1 trade, 2 new cards. Tyson Kidd, I don't think I have him. He's really good as from all, and he's 55 defense, 3 stars, 58 attack. New one. Ryder, he's good as well. 55 defense, 3 stars and 58 attack. Cowboy Boboton, I think he's 40 star something, I don't know, because it's Orton, so I think he knows Randy Orton or something. He's a legend. He's 64 defense, 3 stars and 60 attack. So good pack. Got Tyler Ricks from SmackDown, 44 defense, 48 attack, 2 stars. Yes! I got Women's Champion. This is a new card to me as well. This is a really good card. Women's Champion is very, very shiny. So, doesn't say any stars. Just says title card. It's in brown, so can't say properly. Title card. Yeah, very good card. This is trade. Already have him. The Miz, 73 defense, 4 stars, 78 attack. Jay Uso, he is trade as well. 52 defense, 3 stars, 54 attack. Jack Swagger, he is really good. That's a really good pack, you know. Jack Swagger, he's 89 defense, 5 stars and 91 attack. Brilliant pack. He's new card for me. And Fire is Extinguisher. It's 3 stars. It's new to me. Second last pack. Hope Champion. Something. Good card. Tyson Kidd and David Hart Smith. That is not new to me. That is double for trade. 84 defense, 5 stars and 54 attack. Yes. Got rid the manager. He is brilliant. He's kicked out. 5 stars. Is T Wood something that long. Yes! I was hoping for a champion. I got one. Brilliant pack as well. I thought it was a 5 stars, but I suppose that's Drew McIntyre, champion from Raw. 85 defense, 4 stars, 80 attack. Brilliant pack. TLC match. New card to me as well. Pay-per-view. This is a new card to me as well. Brilliant pack. Over the Limit. Yes! Only one double in this pack. Brilliant. The last pack. Oh, brilliant card. Say this. Chris Masters trade. That was better. 60 defense, 3 stars and 64 attack. CM Punk, very good. He's a new card to me. 85 defense, 4 stars, 85 attack. Yes, I got Ambulance Day. And now in stable, whenever I've seen some packs I've seen on the computer, and I've never seen this one. Some of the cards I've never seen. Yes! Edge. He's a really good card. He's new to me as well. 91 defense, 5 stars and 90 attack. Yes! Randy Orton! I can't believe this is my best pack. I think this is my best pack. I have CM Punk, Edge and Randy Orton. Brilliant. Edge and Randy Orton are brilliant cards. You can see they're both 91, 90, 92, 92, both 5 stars. Brilliant pack. That was new to me. Kelly. She's good. 52, 53 stars. So thank you for watching. Please comment and see you next time. Goodbye.